Most businesses are losing customers right now, and they don't even realize it because their website is literally broken. In this video, I'm going to show you how to scan thousands of businesses' websites automatically using a simple Python script and turn that into a real client opportunity. So here is an example website that I recently created with the Python script I got out of it. So if you could see, there's a list of all these websites. Look at this one, for example, and as you can see, this website is broken. There's not just one website. I've got like, you know, hundreds and hundreds, and 3,000 to be total. And let's check this one as well. And you know, website expired. I'm going to show you another one. This one, Capelli Belly. I covered this one in a different video. So these are the websites that are not working, they're broken. As you can see, all the issues all here. And the reason is, what we need is because we need to then reach out to these people who might need a website. And the way I get it from a list of these, you know, 22,000 London businesses, which is a raw file. And the script that I use is this Python simple script that I wrote, and this will give me all the list of the websites that are broken or not reachable. And then I can do so, you know, then reach out to these people then who might need a website. So if someone clicks on a business, let's say that they are in a Google business, like for example cutting bar. So I'm looking at a cutting bar, and they looked at their website because they want to see how they're doing and their timings, how much are they pricing, everything. So, and they land on this page, which is a broken Wix website. Now, their website does not load. It means they leave, these people leave, and that's lost money, you know, instantly. So now imagine being the person who shows up, you being the person who shows up and say, hey, I'm going to help you fix this website. I'm going to fix it. So instead of guessing who needs a website, we reach out to people who actually have a problem with the website, and then reach out to it. So enough of the enough of the other content. Let's get into how this is going to work. So what you need to do is you need to have three things. The first being a Python. So I'm going to have a Python. Let's check out if I do have a Python dash version. If you can see me, so that's 3.12.3. I got Python installed. The other thing you need to do is you need to pip install pandas request. These are the packages that you need, and tqdm. So it's going to see if I already, as you can see, I already installed it. If you don't have it, just run this command and you will have it already satisfied. So also suggest that you get a virtual environment. So I have the virtual environment set up, and if you don't have it, then you can create a virtual environment. Once you have the environment, just click let's go to this one. My mouse is moving around and not able to focus, but let's go to, once you have this, you do the virtual environment, and then local, that's where my virtual environment is. Files, virtual environment bin. That's how you do it if you are in a Linux server. That's where I am. So now you can see I'm in a virtual environment. So let's get out of it. And yeah, that's where I am. So you need to, Python, you need to have these packages installed, and you need to be on a virtual environment to just keep things separate and don't break things. And also you need to have a CSV file with all the website list. So I got this, you know, just around 22,000 websites, local businesses in London. and I have 22,000. If you don't know how to do it, just go to to Google, find out, you know, hairdressers Naomi, and you can literally just go through all these businesses. You know, you can get hundreds of these businesses with their website and things, or you can install a simple Chrome extension that can extract all these links from the website. If you don't want to do that either, you go to Fiverr and you find someone who is a website scraper who scrapes these listings for you for around £5 or £10 or US dollars, and they'll get you, like, you know, thousands and thousands of these you know, these websites for you, and give you like CSV. So once you have this list of all these businesses, now the problem is, like, most of the data is messy, but we're going to go to it. But the first thing I'm going to go is I'm going to show you my my Python script and how it works. So I have the config everything set up, as you can see. So I have the input file here, which is the CSV local, where I'm going to get all the information to the website that I will be loading. Then also have the output where you want to save it and things like that. You're looking at max workers, which is, you know, 150. So I'm looking at 150 websites loading. This way it's fast. If you do it manually, you go into each website and you're putting in a CSV, that's going to take loads and loads of hours, and it's not worth it. So you put those things out, you time out. If it's for 5, you know, time at 5, it's going to consider that website is a dead website, or a website which is not working. And yeah, these are the things. So, you know, all the things that you can see in the Python script. I'm gonna then share in how to get this Python script for me for free. But yeah, let's go to our server and let's run this script. So I got the Python script. I told it, you know, just get all the websites from this, look at the URLs website, and then, you know, once you see the websites that are not loading or whatever, then you can save it for me, and you can save it for me in the broken website CSV. I'm going to show you the CSV as well, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I've got everything satisfied. Let's go to Python to run this script. I can see Python, that's code.py. Now actually let me get into the directory first. Server's down, CSV, broken site CSV. Just give me a sec. All right, so as you can see, I'm on the CSV directory, where I have all the website files in a CSV and then the code. So I'm gonna cd into local CSV files. You can name it whatever you want, and then I'm going to run this code. So code Python code.py. Now let's run this. Okay, so it got 16,664 because the data is messy, so it's only looking at all the fields with the website. So it's skipping the empty fields that I got, and it's looking to check. And I hope that you can see it's checking at like a high speed, 435, 450, 460. It's going all there, and you can see this little progress bar as well. So 3% done. And even if you don't want to, you know, wait for it, you can just run it in TMUX. So there's like a multiplexer, timing a multiplexer. So it's loading in a you know, in a without you actually babysitting this whole session. So that's what you can do, and it's pretty I mean, it's pretty handy anyway. So yeah, it's working. So let's say once you do it and it's completed, and yeah, I already done it. So let me just skip it. All right, and I just interrupted this. Clear. Okay, I'll run it successfully 100%, and the output I will get is this. So actually I ran this with the code, and as you can see, some of the fields that don't have a website, so but it will skip those because the Python script can handle that, you know. So it's going to skip all these fields and it's going to only look at these. It also take care of the HTTPS, HTTP, so that's not a problem. And the output is a broken website, and not only is going to give you like business name, website, and issue, but also issues. So you got these issues with all these websites, and the result out of the 16,000, out of the 16,000, what you got for around, let me just quickly have a look, 3,504 websites, exact websites of companies whose websites, companies with websites that are broken or not reachable. So it means they got a website at some point, but then it did not work out, or they did not, you know, take care of it, or it went down for some reasons. And these are the websites. Then now, you know, as you can see, these websites are down. All these websites are down, and yeah, so once you have all these websites, let's say you want to, okay, what are you going to do then? If you got these websites, you got their contact number, you can just look it up in Google and search their contact number or email, and you're going to go to send them a message. So the message is, okay, hey, I came across your website and noticed it's currently not loading properly. That usually means, you know, customers clicking from Google are not able to access your website online, your business online, specialized in fixing blah blah blah, and you can send them a message, you know, and that's what you do. So that's a warm lead, it's not a cold one, you know, and you can send them a message, and you can repeat this or in a day in, day out. If you could say 3,500 websites or businesses which are broken in the UK and in London, and you hit a gold mine. I mean, if you can get 1% of it, yeah, you can get 1% of it. There's 10 websites per 1,000. So that's 40, 30 to 35 websites that you can get, 30 to 35 businesses. If you can get 1%, and 3,500, that's 35 businesses per website that you can do. And imagine if you do it like for, let's say you win £1,000, that's around, you know, 3,000, yeah, that's around £30,000, £35,000 or something like that, £30,000. Or if you get them to give you like, yeah, £3,000 or whatever, you know, per month. So you can make this much money from just, so that's the Python script, you know, and that's what you can do to run this. So if you want more real world automation ideas like this, and not just theories, subscribe to my channel. I'll be showing how to turn simple scripts like this into actual income streams. Also, if you want the full script, this Python script, comment script down below and I will send it over, and I'll see you in the next video.